Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 0.15 Remedies to help you stop snoring for good. Key takeaways. Sleeping on your side can reduce snoring. Losing weight can reduce pressure on your airways that may contribute to snoring. Elevating your head during sleep can prevent snoring by helping keep your airways open. Other strategies to reduce snoring include limiting alcohol and sedatives before bed, quitting smoking, getting enough quality sleep, using nasal devices like strips or dilators, using a humidifier, doing mouth exercises, practicing good sleep hygiene. Underlying causes like allergies, nasal/throat structural issues, or sleep apnea may require medical treatment such as allergy medications, surgery, or a CPAP machine. If your partner snores, you can try using earplugs, playing white noise, or encouraging them to change sleeping positions to reduce the impact on your own sleep. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.